Ever try to pull shipping proof for a processor review and realize your files are all over the place? Delays in providing documentation can trigger account holds or slow down dispute resolution. Here's a quick way to stay organized. Keep all your shipment proof in one central folder so you can access it instantly if a processor asks for verification. This makes it easier to respond during reviews. But manual organization alone won't prevent account holds if your processor flags unusual activity. Payment processors for nutraceuticals and supplements often require proof of shipment to verify orders. If your documentation is scattered or hard to find, it can slow approvals or trigger temporary freezes. That's where EasyPay Direct comes in. Their thorough underwriting and ongoing account optimization help ensure your payment account stays stable, even when documentation like shipping proof is requested. You can focus on fulfilling orders, knowing your account is protected. Here's a helpful FAQ point. Nutraceutical merchant accounts have specific requirements, including proper documentation to verify transactions. Staying organized and working with a provider that understands these rules helps keep your payments uninterrupted. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can keep your supplement merchant account stable, even when processors request shipping documentation. Don't wait until a review slows your payments. With EasyPay Direct's account optimization and proper documentation workflows, your merchant account remains stable and your transactions keep moving. Check the link in the description to get started today.